Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you another product that I am using right now against the dry dandruff and the dry scalp. Like you see, my hair isn't washed for 3 days and start to make some dandruff again. And I want to show you how I wash my hair and what product I use to have a clean and nice hair. First of all my products are from a salon, and I don't think you will find so easy online, but you can try, and I will link some of them if I could find them online in the description box below. First of all, I wash my hair with this anti-dandruff shampoo. It has pyroxenolamine and let me see, microorganisms that are set in a follicle and fights against them to prevent itchiness and dry dandruff, and most important, to prevent reformation. It refreshes and purifies the scalp by eliminating the itchiness feeling and having a sebum normalizing action. You use this on wet hair twice, let sit about 2 or 3 minutes in your hair, and then wash it off. I like it because it is professional and have menthol, essential oils of mint, lavandula, citric acid, and a rosemary extract, betula alba, some more natural ingredient. I put my towel on wet hair to absorb all the water. I liked this shampoo because it didn't make my hair, it smelled so fresh, but in the delicate way, not so obvious, and I like it because comparing to the Briogeo shampoo, didn't left my hair so clean. If you know what I mean, in some cases the dandruff shampoo are stripping the natural oils on the length of my hair, and I don't put shampoo on the length, but when I wash it, obviously the shampoo goes all over my hair. And I feel in the Briogeo and other anti-dandruff shampoo that can make your hair and your length feel more dry. But with this shampoo by Natural Tricology, I don't know if I say it right, BioCare, it is the line Dermasan shampoo by Trico Art. By this shampoo, I didn't feel this dryness on my length. So after I absorb a lot of water, I just leave my hair and apply this conditioner by T-Base. It is another great line, professional line from Tecna, Italy. It is an rebalancing hair care aromatherapy with essential oils that it moisturizes the scalp. They say that with a gentle formula, with rich botanical herbs and humectants, relieve scalp tightness and dryness. It hydrates excessively dry, brittle and chemically treated hair with healthy looking body and instant shine. This special formula replenishes moisture for greater elasticity, manageability and shine. So it says that you can massage into wet hair after shampooing and leave it for 3 and 5 minutes. I take it off and I apply tiny bit on the scalp area, because I need for my scalp to be more moisturizing. I like it because it has some like so refreshing. It smells like mint, like natural oils. I will put some more on the rest of my scalp at the back, because I have dryness and dandruff also in the back of my hair. Because this I only put on my scalp. For my ends, I will use it the conditioner that I use usually, because it is on my length, like Kevin Murphy for fine hair. I just want to put some. It has it's not so has like a gel and thicker consistency, and I want to apply all over my scalp and just massage into the scalp, just to penetrate all the good ingredient and the good oils in my scalp. It is the first time and you will see this now that I am using conditioner on my scalp. Like all we know that conditioner, it recommends to be used only on the length of the hair, never on the scalp. But for my scalp issues, I found the right product to use it on the scalp. So just massage to absorb all the ingredients. Like I see now, when my hair is wet, my hair looks so clean, so clean. I hope with this treatment I will get rid of dandruff forever. Now I want to put the Kevin Murphy on the ends, just a tiny bit, because Kevin Murphy, it is a professional line also, and very concentrated. It has such a floral and nice smell. I put all over my mid ends. And just make a tiny bun, which I secure with some clips. It's not the prettiest hairstyle, but I will let the conditioner sit for about 5 minutes, the conditioner for my scalp and for my length. It is already, I can feel already refreshing and some kind of, I don't know, good sensation, like it is fresh, and like the Head and Shoulders menthol. This is the sensation, full scalp of menthol. So I was washing my hair after I put the conditioner for my length and my roots. And now I just want to apply some pulverization of this Dermasan, also from Trico Art. It is made also in Italy, and it helps with dandruff. It is from the same range with the shampoo. Also have allantoin, panthenol, pyroptonolamine, eucalypt, some let me see, castor oil. It is also vegan, and it has so many uses. You can use, I was reading on the box before the shampoo. After, my hairdresser says that I have to use 5 or 6 application on my roots on wet hair. So I will shake it very well. It disperses very well the solution. This is why I close the eyes. And after, it has also a very fresh smell and sense. It gives the sensation of very fresh hair. I want to apply on my ends too, on my back, because I also have dry dandruff there, and in this part too. And now I will blow out my hair like usually. She said me that I have to massage like 5 minutes to absorb very well the solution in my scalp.